everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. This video is going to be about how to reactivate your deactivated Twitter account. So if you have recently deactivated your Twitter account and now you want to continue using it, watch this video till the end, as I will also share one important information about deactivated Twitter accounts. Alright, so without wasting any of your time, let's begin with the video. Alright, so I deactivated my Twitter account a few days back, and now I will show you how to reactivate it in front of you. So here I am using my mobile device. If you want, you can also do it on a web browser. Alright, you simply have to enter your username and your password to reactivate your Twitter account. So simply open the Twitter app and then tap login at the bottom. After that, here you have to enter either the phone number, email address or username that is linked to your Twitter account, and then you have to enter the password. Alright, so make sure you remember all the details of your Twitter account, only then you will be able to reactivate it. Simply tap login, and here you will see the message that reactivate your account. So you will see the date that you deactivated your account on this date, and after a month it will no longer be possible for you to restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally deactivated. Alright, so if you want to restore your account, click on yes, reactivate. So yeah, here it is written that you have to pass a CAPTCHA challenge. Alright, so simply tap start, and now select this that I am not a robot. Alright, so you simply have to pass this verification step. Press continue. So yeah, as you can see, I have reactivated my Twitter account. So similarly, you can also reactivate your Twitter account, but there is a catch that if you have deactivated your Twitter account a month ago, alright, so you only get a month's time, 30 days time to get back to your deactivated account. If you have deactivated your account before 30 days, it may have got permanently deleted. Alright, so Twitter don't let you recover your accounts that were deactivated a month ago. You only get a time period of 30 days to get back to your deactivated accounts. Alright, so if you deactivated your account a month ago, alright, or 2 months ago, it would have gotten deleted from Twitter's platform. Alright, so now you can only create a new one. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I showed you how you can simply reactivate your Twitter account. If you have deactivated your Twitter account and want to continue using it, you can follow the steps I have explained in this video. Alright, so if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can write them down in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button for more such informative and useful videos, and I will see you the next time.